Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to Clever Mom. If you are like me, you probably love a good grill but hate the mess it makes, especially when you have a grill indoors. But what if I told you there's a solution to all of your grilling woes? Introducing the Ninja FG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 indoor grill. With the Cyclonic Grilling Technology, the Ninja Foodi uses 500 Fahrenheit cyclonic air to cook or char grill your food to your desired doneness on the grill grate for delicious char grill mats and flavors. And the Smart Cook System Plus Thermometer makes it easy to achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well. With just a touch of a button, say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meals. But that's not all. The XL capacity of the grill grate can fit up to 6 sticks up to 24 hot dogs, and with 6 cooking functions including grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. You can cook a variety of meals to perfection with a wide temperature range. And here's the best part. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill can air fry and crisp with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. And with the included 4-quarter crisper basket, you can enjoy your favorite crispy snacks guilt-free. But wait, there's more. The smoke control system reduces smoke, keeping it out of the kitchen, so you can grill your heart's content without worrying about setting off the smoke alarm. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill and take your grilling game to the next level. That's it for today's video, and hope you will like and enjoy it. Thank you. See you in the next video.